Imran Khan finally got the job. His journey is related from the container to the Prime Minister house. The project was to deliver a Naya Pakistan with an efficient cabinet with young talent and a corruption-free society with no NRO. After won the World Cup for country, the next task for him to prove his matter as a true leader. Question is that what is going happening over past 2 years of PTI government. The government's 730 days trailer shows that there is no sign yet of the government capability to take rational decision on critical issues of Pakistan. The output analysis of Imran Khan government has certainly not been encouraging. The first emotional and silly action of Imran Khan is to install the austerity drive by auction almost 120 Prime Minister officials' cars and buffaloes. This action is appreciated by international and national leaders and commoners. But this decision had not been received any remarkable economic result and considered the first failure of Imran Khan government. The silly decision is being continued in order to introduce the interesting poultry scheme. This business come a huge rafter stock for analysts and readers on the vision of Imran Khan about ande, murgi and katte. Prime Minister Imran Khan had promised to bring new talent as cabinet member in Naya Pakistan, but bloated cabinet is completely opposite the promise of Imran Khan. The correction of young talent only provide comic relief in time of crisis. They adopt the blame game to their opposition. This is considered the third failure of Imran Khan government. An experienced cabinet causes more confusion and affect governance badly. Imran Khan was totally opposite the IMF and the IMF wrong, but after the 8th month of power, he realized that no option instead of bailout package of IMF, which consists of $6 billion on tough terms and conditions, including tax correction reform and increasing oil prices. This package completely shut down the stock market, loss of more than 2.7% during intraday trading. The promises, policies, and progress of Imran Khan 2 century in context of economic indicator shows the unsatisfactory trend in almost all economic variable due to incompetent team. That's why failure are more in the pocket of Imran Khan as compared to achievement. This is economic indicator performance over past 2 years of Imran Khan government. GDP declined sharply. Government give only one reason, and that is COVID-19. But non-economic policy dominated over economic indicator, and economic team could not be provided the considerable economic policy. Consumer price index show in double digit. IMF conditions and our monopoly power become the causes of rise in prices of basic goods especially, and our leader only take action but do nothing. The total debt of also rise from 23 billion to 31 billion since last 2 years. CPEC is the game changer for Pakistan economy due to increase the volume of foreign direct investment. The thinking of captain was good. But the team is corrupted or bloated. That's why the output analysis shows more failure as compared to success of Imran Khan government.